Minister Biswajit says handloom weavers and handicrafts artisans suffer due to lack of investment. Men from Bihar found shot dead at Oinam Laikai under Singtamai police station. The body had 3 bullet wounds. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee continues Red Badge campaign demanding inclusion of Maitai Mitai in the Scheduled Tribe list. And Deputy Chief Minister Joy Kumar extends financial help to 4 badminton players who are playing at the Asian and Junior World Championships. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. Textile Commerce Industries Minister Thongam Biswajit today stated that the handloom weavers and handicrafts artisans in the state suffer due to lack of investment. The minister was speaking as a chief guest at the launch of a 5-month technical training program, integrated design development project and design development workshop for 10 handicrafts cluster projects, 10 organized by Manipur Handloom and Handicrafts Development Corporation Limited at the Classic Grande today. Biswajit further said handloom and handicrafts provide a big boost in the development of the economy of the state. He maintained that as artisans do not use improved tools and new technology, they suffer low productivity and unemployment. He asserted that the training will create an awareness among the artisans about the new techniques and skills and various schemes which will benefit them. 10 handicraft clusters from 9 districts will be provided training at the program funded by Development Commissioner for Handicrafts under Ambedkar Hatshilp Vikas Yojana under the Ministry of Textiles. Officials of the departments concerned, several weavers and artisans attended the launch of the training program. The launch, which was scheduled to start at 11 a.m. was delayed by an hour due to late arrival of the minister.
The overall objective is socio-economic empowerment achieved sustainability. Planning sing pira haraka namagi leriba apagi chatnariba ano technology sing aduga apagi tool sing provide tore haraka da apagi afaba apagi socio economy da apagi masam sagi layana ba madi po apagi employment generation da amma kuthukna bidang tele pa scheme amani.
A person was found shot dead in Oinam Laikai under Singjumai police station this morning. The victim's body was found near a public convenience located on the road leading to Catholic school by passerby around 8 this morning. Singjumai police personnel rushed at the spot on getting the news of the murder to take stock of the situation. The deceased has been identified as Lal Babu Singh, 50 years, son of Rawan Singh Shimraha from Moti Hari East Champaram in Bihar and was staying at Mantripukri. His hands were tied behind his back with a rope and he was also blindfolded. The body had bullet wounds in the chest, left side of the abdomen and left thigh. Lal Babu was into Ngari business at Ngari Gali for the last 10 years. Police suspect that he had been shot after he was kidnapped. The body kept at Rims morgue for post-mortem examinations. Relatives identified the body this afternoon. He left home this morning around 7. It is still not known who killed him. In order to regulate traffic movement on the day of dispersal of polling personnel on October 6 and return of polling personnel after completion of poll on October 7th for the 7 General Panchayat elections, District Election Officer, Imphal West District has announced changes in traffic movement on these days. A team led by DC Thoubal inspected the strong room at Thoubal Mini Secretariat for the upcoming Panchayat elections to be held on the 7th of this month. ROs and AROs of Lilong Subdivision and representatives of the candidates accompanied the DC during the visit. Speaking to media persons, District Election Officer L. Nabachandra said 90% of the preparation and security arrangements for the election have been completed. Voting will be held from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. He appealed for people's cooperation for smooth conduct of the elections. A joint meeting of DLOs and Southern Hills ADC members Kangpokpi district was held today at Autonomous District Council Hall to bring in efficient and transparent district administration. The meeting was hosted by Chairman Southern Hills ADC and DC Kangpokpi. ADC Chairman Haukalan Hang Singh lamented that the Manipur Hill Areas District Council Act, which was passed to bring changes, had not been effectively implemented till today. DC Kangpokpi T. Ranjit highlighted the works taken up by the district administration and urged all concerned for cooperation for the development of the district. A special Aadhaar enrollment drive in all hill districts from October 3 to cover whole population. This will be the last round to visit to the villages. The Home Department in a press release has appealed to all the people to utilize this opportunity to get enrolled. People who fail to get enrolled will be deprived of the benefits of availing any government schemes. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur STDCM continues its Red Badge campaign, which began from the 1st of this month, demanding inclusion of Meitei in the scheduled tribe list. The campaign, carried out at schools, colleges, government offices and market areas, will continue till the 20th of this month. Volunteer of User Manipur took part in the campaign and not AOC today. Spokesperson of User Manipur M. Jogesh maintained that a memorandum containing the resolution of the September 24th convention with an ultimatum was submitted to the government on September 30th. It urged the government to submit an ethnographic report to the government of India by the 20th of this month. Yogesh warned of intensifying the agitation if the government ignores the wishes of the public.
Akoi tori maram je maru oina di akoi chinga akoi ga khenara ga leiba akoi masen nungsina da ba akoi constitution divide to boje maji lokthok khina ba akoi maru oina mase akoi support to jabani loya na akoi leiba akoi maitei na tare ba lam 10% Manipur gi pak jawi manung se 10% muksi akoi protection to hongna bani India gi population crore cham kunthai na leibu na si mayam sina la ga akoi maitei si mang gi dana ba moi ui gi dana ba akoi sei akoi khongting si support to jabani ko samana sorok da thola ga support mayam gi mating ni rak pose da akoi office Tachanga Torokpa Lambi Torok Pusida Mayam we support Maya Madum Lak Paitare. Sigi momentum later I think a civil tribes so no Pangadana Kanji.
Students of DM College of Arts today broke down the door of a career clinic located inside the library of the college. A private NGO established a career clinic called a Career Diagnosis Center about 4 years ago by occupying a part of the college library. The students broke open the clinic's door in protest against the indifference shown by the education department, even after being approached several times to remove the career clinic as it was not functioning to benefit the students. Finance Secretary of Students Union of the college, Moirangthem Amarjit, warned that the authority concerned and the NGO should be responsible for any consequences if the NGO fails to remove its office items today. He also appealed to the authority to appoint an adequate number of staff for the library and to expand the library room.
NGO sinda karma priority da karma ground da moina ko sira phajan birise karma ground da moina ko tham birise sima thau sudha ta de ngase ko lokok sare aduga hojik director office na laiba manung sida lai ko process che loi lobi gi da bani kari malau da tar gadi process sida thok pa amang ata amadi kari magi ko ti bataw di NGO amadi government na fix lobi ga da bani.
Villages of Nambol, Maibam, Chingning and Nambol constituency are yet to give safe drinking water. Villages had even sacrificed their land for construction of 40 lakh rupees Maibam Chingning water supply scheme way back in 2008-2009 in the hope of getting clean and safe drinking water. But the water supply scheme is yet to be completed. Our Bishnupur correspondent Naresh met the villages of Maibam Kungang. The villages have expressed that they have been surviving without safe drinking water for more than 80 years now. They lamentate that the construction of the water supply scheme, which started in 2008-2009, has caused more grievances than benefit. The incomplete water supply scheme site has become a haven for drug abusers and anti-social activities. They appeal to the government to look into the matter and provide safe drinking water to the villages at the earliest.
Hujik ising thakwa phangdire si mi khungi di loi thae ikoi maibong hundi ising thakwa hujik phok phangdire ase dang di phanghan bio mari leina ba singjina
water supply scheme ne tawre me maga ase wau tenki channa sabir mi regi sang masam sabir mi aruga chahi humra marfu sorba yakone ngasi bauda Toti gini ai sing mari amta ligla amta ya koi phangje de ru masi kari maram gino kamai to wi no ara masi atho ma tamda ya koi gi scheme ni amta water supply yang ti yeng chen bi adum kai yam thuna masi asi ma yang mak si dang thang kar to wi adu ga thabak si lo sambiu sing pibiu
si plan ma ama to wi de sambi de pai phum me amuk kari kamai to no hong de pa sing phuk tu gom pu re.
ASI M. Rajeshwar has been placed under suspension by SP Bishnupur for misconduct at Kumbi police station. OSD Anti-Corruption Cell in a press release said there was a complaint through WhatsApp on August 14 against the ASI that he was collecting money from a vehicle owner. A green bucket awareness program was held today at Brahmapur Aribam Laika as a part of Mission Clean 1818 campaign. The campaign was organized by Ward Development Committee Mission Clean 1818 under the supervision of Yashkul MLA Tej Satyabarta and Corporator of Ward number 18 L Inakunbi. People can turn their kitchen waste into organic manure in the green bucket manufactured by local entrepreneur Anoba Mayol Kongchat. Rajya Sabha MP KSH Bhabananda and MLA Tej Satyabarta also took part in the campaign. The government of Manipur, in collaboration with Sana Konung, in celebrating Mera Hauchongba festival tomorrow at the Kangla. Titular King Laishemba Sana Jauba will lead a procession from the palace to Kangla tomorrow morning at 8. Mentongba and Yelhing Thaba rituals will be performed as per tradition at Kangla. The main function will begin at Kangla at 1 p.m. Laishemba Sana Jauba, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren and Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar will take part in the event. State-level Mera Hauchongba committee has invited the people to participate in the festival. Graduate Teachers Association Ramsa 2016 states a sit-in at the Directorate of Education as complex in Lamphilpa today against a non-payment of salaries for 9 months. They appeal to government to pay their salaries before Ningol Chakopa.
Yamna peaceful and democratic oiba form of agitation ni aikoigi awaba grievances mayamsi mari lenaba authority da haijaba aduga thamabal hena tolo phangaktabasi lakliba chakoba asigi mamangda pithok pinaba aikoi madugi haijabani awa ana thidana mathau tawjariba oja singi awaba sibusu ko onbiu aduga aikoigi di oja oina aikoi agitation tawsu pamjade masi aikoigi ithausu nate aikoina pamjabadi angang singdu school singda takjaraga aikoina khangjeruba ujaruba haijaruba singdu moida tasengna thamoisingna takjaraga leijabaduni aduna sumaina agitation tawsu aikoi pamde aduna aikoigi awabasi ubiraga leiriba tolop singsi pithok piraga aikoigi awabase ko onbiu haina mari leinaba authority da aikoi haijabani.
A wildlife conservation rally was held today in Andhra in connection with the 62nd Wildlife Week celebration. The rally was jointly organized by Central Forest Division, Forest Department Manipur and Joint Forest Management Committee. The rally began from Panam Ningthau Garden and ended at Santhai Natural Park. The rally held under the theme Celebrating Rights of Wildlife was participated by students of different schools of Andhra. Speaking on the occasion, Divisional Forest Officer of Central Forest Division, L. Joy Kumar, maintained that there has been a drastic change in the environment in the last few years due to unchecked felling of trees, killing of wildlife, etc. He said man is destroying the natural resources. Joy Kumar said the rally was taken out to make people more aware of the need for conservation and protection of wildlife. Wildlife Week is celebrated all over the country from October 2nd to 8 every year to protect and preserve the flora and fauna.
Lamlaki thoi pambaji basinga se akhoi ngapi senbi badarka oi masinga pi senbi kari damakta mioi bai khoi isi kai dogeda ngasai gi wildlife haiba lamlaki thoi pambaji basinga se makhoi yaudra ga khoi hingba yaroi ba mioi ba khoi yaudra ga sumoi di hingba yai ba lairiba lamlaki thoi pambaji ba se ngapi senbi bai ba se akhoi punamagi thoni kari damakta akhoi hingna na wi damakta wildlife bu haiba palala se akhoi ui ama haktang or nom haktang pangthok na taba akhoi gi wakhalon ji change tawre haraga sai supa wildlife week se wildlife day bo harasu sai supa pangthok na ji haiba apil je ai miam punung ta tawjeni.
9 different wild animals rescued by SP Technopol and People for Animals a few days ago were released into Yangonpokpi Wildlife Sanctuary today. The animals include 1 kabokai, 1 Bengal slow loris, 1 Bengal monitor lizard, 4 Asian leaf turtles, 1 rhesus macaw and 1 serpent eagle. Time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while with more news updates. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. Paknung Social Youth Club organized a cleanliness drive in and around the primary health center in Sawongbung yesterday. The club said such cleanliness drives will also be held around the PHC in the future. Lions Club of Imphal Greater today held a health camp at Takil Kongban Junior High School. Free pediatric eye and cataract treatment and free surgery facility were provided to people at the health camp by doctors and of CJ Hospitals and Research Institute and Mother's Care Children Hospital and Research Center. Speaking to Impact News, President of Lions Club of Imphal Greater M. Shyam Babu said Lions Club all over the world is observing World Lion Sight Day today, and the health camp was organized as a part of the observance with the objective of helping the poor and the destitute. Students of Takil Kongban Junior High School and elderly persons of the locality were checked up at the camp.
Pangtok Chariba gi timdi akwai ngasi laik tambada angang singna anop leiba ngamjadaba aduguma mayam singa do akoina moksing kaya yambage aje akoina khantok charaga makoi bo akoi gi anop free da piraga akoi gi mane laik tambada kijik da warsu mateng oina ba nama palek pa ba kopura tauna ba na akoi masigi kem sima chinjabani Lions Club Imphal Greater gi tarap tagi akoi gi adi relieving the hunger gi timjida international gi timni masi pangtok poina akoina
Last night, people took out a torch rally against drugs and alcohol in Lilong. The rally, organized by Anti-Social Prevention Organization and All Manipur Muslim Development Committee, headquarters Lilong, began from Lilong Usoipokpi and covered till Lilong Awanglaikai. At least 300 men and women took part in the torch rally, chanting slogans against drugs. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar has handed over ₹50,000 each to the families of 4 Manipuri players participating in the Asian Badminton Championship at Yangon in Myanmar and World Junior Badminton Championship to be held at Indonesia. Joykumar handed over the money to them at a simple function held at his residence in Narimthong today. Punshi Bayengkom is participating in the under-15 category, while Maishna Mairabaluwang is competing in the under-17 category in the Asian Badminton Championship. The tournament kicked off today at Yangon in Myanmar. K. Dingo and K.H. Manjit, both from Ningthau will participate in doubles events in World Junior Badminton Championship 2017 under-19 to be held in Indonesia from the 9th of this month. Joykumar appealed to people to encourage and extend help to the budding sports talents.
In the near future, so in the world level, the best labor can double skip, piercing give Merta Moikani, Hibigi Dumba, Tazabele, Aduna Mayamda, and Hibu. Kara pukin sawa kamu atay nasu dum hariba angang mari se masida angam mating pangbiu aduga muibu encourage torga say mangam taram matung deida werpe yaba Olympics moise medal or payaba aduma plani adu lok poisunu haiba wafam sikha thamaga mayamda muibu sajok to you have say hairaga iswaida.
Mayai Lambi Development Organization, Maldo, has handed over 15,000 rupees to parents of Suresh Wangjam, who is in the Indian team at the upcoming FIFA Under-17 World Cup. Secretary of Kongampat Mayai Laika Youth Pioneers Club, K.H. Roger, has alleged that funds sanctioned for the construction of a playground at Kongampat Mayai Laikai had been misappropriated. Roger said, though 80% of the funds have been already sanctioned in April this year, construction of the playground has not begun. He said, through RTI, they came to know about a work order for the construction of the playground at an estimated cost of 3,50,000 rupees under CALB PRI's 2016-17. He claimed that the funds were already withdrawn by Adhakshya Imphal West and Port Sangbam Jilla Parishad. He said that a notice was already served regarding recollection of the funds already sanctioned earlier if the playground is not constructed by October 30th. Roger expressed surprise at the announcement made by the Zilla Parishad that the authority has postponed the deadline for the construction work for the playground till the month of December. He warned of intense agitations if the Zilla Parishad do not construct the playground at the earliest. He also urged the concerned authorities to investigate the matter and punish those involved in the wrongdoings.
Kwamba Melikai ki playground thon bagi matang da khoi gi Jila Parishad Imphal West adakshana lokthokriba paisa lupa la ahum makhai chi yam thuna vote mamang da si mamang thabak chaw bida taragadi akhoi akan ba khongjang mayam changchalak pa yai aduga even akhoi gi leiriba vote si boba mon da boycott tawbagi condition lakpa ya aduna yaragadi kitang thuna vote mamang sida lotion biu haibagi mayam gi kholau je ai Melikai gi club ki secretary mo ina mayam gi miut sinjaraga khoi gi leiriba Imphal West ki adagi Manipur government gi tarap tazu ai appeal tawjage aduga akhoi mayam na pambiriba pumnamak si akhoi gi Imphal West ki adaksha oibiriba khwampata su leibiriba Poksum Jila Parishad oibiriba madam na yaragadi vote mamang sida thabak se haujanaba tawbiu.
And now the sports news. Southern Sporting Union SSU and Anoba Imagi Mangal AIM Kabam were drawn 1-1 in the 12th Manipur State League Football Tournament today. And Sushil of Southern Sporting Union SSU scored 1 goal in the 31st minute of the match, while NG Bidinpar Moyon scored an equalizer for AIM Kabam in the 69th minute of the match. The tournament is organized by All Manipur Football Association under the sponsorship of Kamukcham Ingocha Singh Memorial Trust since September 6. The second state-level Imachin Ban Laima 7A side Open Football Tournament 2017 organized by Apunba Sinmi Lup Ghari concluded today. Mama FC Sagolban and TSA Tinungai met in the final today. Mama FC Sagolban thrashed TSA Tinungai 4-1 to lift the trophy. 18 teams took part in the tournament. Winners Mama FC Sagolban were awarded a cash prize of 40,000 rupees and a trophy, while runners-up TSA Tinungai were awarded a cash prize of 30,000 rupees and a trophy. Wheelchair Fencing Association of Manipur in a press release said the selection trial for the 10th Senior National Wheelchair Fencing Championship to be held at Karnal, Haryana from October 26 to 28 will be held on the 8th of this month. K. Arun Pama and M. Ramesh Chandra of Manipur have won bronze in women's 65 kg and men's 48 kg, Sanso respectively in the 14th World Wushu Championships, which concluded yesterday at Kazan, Russia. Taubal District United Women's Development Organization Taubal Ima wished the 8 Manipuri players luck for the upcoming FIFA Under-17 World Cup 2017. All India Youth Federation has wished the 8 Manipuri players luck for the FIFA Under-17 World Cup. Thangmaiban Kendra defeated Oinam Kendra 12-9 in the 6th Magsatabam Iboyaima and Punyabati Memorial Lake Kam Knockout Kendra-wise Kang tournament today. The tournament is organized by Singtamai Kangkot and Singtamai Kangshang at Singtamai Chingamathak. Sagolban Kendra will meet Konthaujam Kendra tomorrow. The 33rd and Hazari and Dr. Antombi State Polo Tournament 2017 will be held from October 22 at Imphal Polo Ground. Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association in a press release informed all polo clubs, teams affiliated to the association to submit their entry forms along with an entry fee of 500 rupees each to the association's office by October 15 to participate in the tournament. Before we end the primetime bulletin, let's take a look at headlines once again. Minister Biswajit says handloom weavers and handicrafts artisans suffer due to lack of investment. Men from Bihar found shot dead at Oinam Laikai under Singtamai police station. The body had 3 bullet wounds. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee continues Red Badge campaign demanding inclusion of Maitai Mitai in the Scheduled Tribe list. And Deputy Chief Minister Joy Kumar extends financial help to 4 badminton players who are playing in Asian and Junior World Championships.